6 multiplied by 6 equals to 36. 6 multiplied by 6 equals to 36. 36 divided by 36 equals to 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority, and they need to be done from left to right. So in our case, we have multiplication and division. We need to do it from left to right. So first we do this multiplication, then we do this division, and then we do this multiplication, not doing first multiplication and then division. So to solve it, first we do this multiplication. So we have 36 divided by 6 and multiplied by 6, and equals 36 divided by 6 is 6, multiplied by 6, and the answer is 36. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao!